The piping in a low pressure panel system is much different. We are going to utilize a continuous network of pipe that extends from one end of the panel line to the other. Low pressure distribution can be used with vertical or horizontal panels. In this video, you will see horizontal panels that are installed with low pressure. When installing horizontal low pressure systems, you will only need one distribution pipe on the most upslope side of the panel blocks. The effluent will self-level in the panels and dose both sides of the trench evenly. In low pressure systems, you will run your pipe through all the panel blocks in a line, leaving a short amount of pipe sticking out the end for plumbing your turn-up pipe. Once you have the pipe where you want it, mark the pipe where it enters the first panel block with a Sharpie. You will then pull the pipe backwards out of the panel about 23 inches. You can now drill all of your orifices directly in front of each panel block. You will only need to drill one hole per panel. Make sure that you use the proper size drill bit to match the orifice listed on the permit. Drill the first and last hole of each line at the 6 o'clock position, facing downward. Drill all other holes alternating between the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock positions. Once you have all your holes drilled, slide the pipe back into the first panel block 23 inches so that your orientation mark comes back to the beginning of the panel. When installing low pressure panels, the only foam sealing needed is to foam a full seal on all of your outer cutouts. For horizontal panels, you must foam the outer cutouts that do not have a distribution pipe in them as well. Inner seals do not need any foam sealer in low pressure systems.